In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Zoom meeting on your website. What we're really doing here is embedding access to a Zoom meeting by placing the meeting's registration page on your site through a button, text link, or embed element. This is a simple and effective way to guide visitors from your website directly into your Zoom event flow, especially if you want people to register before joining. To get started, sign in to your Zoom account. Once you're inside your dashboard, schedule a new meeting. As you create the meeting, take a moment to review the meeting settings carefully so everything matches the event you plan to host. If you want attendees to register before they can join, make sure registration required is enabled. This step is important because it allows Zoom to generate a dedicated registration page for your meeting. That registration page is what you'll connect to your website, so visitors can sign up in an organized way before the event begins. After that, save the meeting. Once the meeting is saved, Zoom will create the meeting details page, and this is where you can find the registration link. Copy the meeting's registration link carefully. This is the specific URL you'll use on your website, so double check that you're copying the registration link rather than a general meeting link if registration is part of your setup. Next, open your website editor. This could be whatever platform you normally use to manage your site. Once you're in the editor, decide how you want visitors to access the Zoom meeting registration page. You can add a button if you want something more visible and clickable, a text link if you prefer a simpler layout, or an embed element if your website builder supports that style of integration. Now paste the Zoom registration link into the button, text link, or embed field. Before moving on, it's a good idea to preview the page and test the link yourself. That way, you can confirm it sends visitors to the correct Zoom registration page and that the placement looks clean on your site. When everything looks right, publish your website. Once the site is live, your visitors will be able to use that link or embedded element to access the registration page for your Zoom meeting. And that's it. By connecting your Zoom meeting registration page to your website, you make the sign-up process much smoother and more professional for your audience. If you're using this for webinars, consultations, classes, or live events, this small setup can make a big difference in how easily people register and participate.